Hello and welcome to my Warhammer 40,000 talk. Today, we will be discussing the world of Warhammer 40,000, its rule set, and some of the games that are based on it. First and foremost, Warhammer 40,000 is a massive-scale strategy game where players create their own armies of space-faring humanoids and alien races to battle each other in epic battles across the galaxy. The game is set in a universe where politics, religion, and technology are intertwined and constantly evolving. To play Warhammer 40,000, you need to have a rule set. This is a collection of rules that define how battles are fought, what units can be created, and what abilities and weaknesses each unit has. The most popular rule set is the Warhammer 40,000 miniature game rules, but there are also other options available such as War Machine, Space Marines, and Eldar's Dark Ops, one of the most popular games based on Warhammer 40,000 is Games Workshop's Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War series. This series of games has been published since 1998 and has been followed by multiple expansions and campaigns. The series is known for its massive battles, complex strategy, and intense gameplay. Another popular game based on Warhammer 40,000 is Chaosium's 40,000 battle system. This game is a set of rules that allows players to create their own armies and battle them against each other using dice and a board game. The game is set in the Warhammer 40,000 universe, but has its own unique setting and mechanics overall. Warhammer 40,000 is a vast and fascinating game that has captured the imaginations of fans for over 2 decades. Whether you are a longtime player or just starting out, there is always something new to discover in the world of Warhammer 40,000.